Viewers, and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma welcomes cross-party unity, says law will take its course in Garo Hills unrest. NPP to contest Assam Assembly elections aims to build long-term political base in the state. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma clarifies Agatha Sangma's inclusion in star campaigner list was a mistake. Party writes to Election Commission. And Centre says petrol, diesel and LPG supply fully secure, warns against misinformation campaign. The news in detail. First, the local news. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said unity across party lines on tribal issues sends a strong message. He said TMC leaders and independent MDCs have come together in the interests of the people. On district councils, he stressed they must function independently. He said the government remains in touch with council leaders. On Garo Hills unrest, he said police are investigating based on evidence. He added that law will take its course and inquiry may be considered.
But ultimately the district council has to take a call. So it's a district council is an autonomous body. So hence we will see and we will wait for the different decisions being made by the council. But we are in close touch with the leaders of the district council, the new CEM and the new EC. And based on discussion, we will see how to move forward. I've been very clear that the law has to take its course. In that process, the police will always move on evidence and move as per the law. I am not in a position to really comment on that particular aspect. It is purely a police work, and it's not that I sit with them and go through the files in the investigation. It's a completely independent process. And so the concerned SP or the concerned DIG or the IG will be in a better position. The Honorable Leader of Opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma, had spoken to me and written to me a few days back. The kind of incident that happened and the kind of situation that unfolded does require some kind of investigation to take place as to what led to the circumstances and who were involved in, especially the section where violence took place and public property was damaged, private property was damaged. So those aspects do need to be looked into detail, but how and what kind of inquiry we are yet to examine, because we of course all been busy with this particular situation. So in the days to come we will take a call on that.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that the National People's Party is planning to expand its presence in Assam by contesting the upcoming assembly elections. Sangma, who is also the national president of the party, said that the NPP has not had a significant electoral presence in Assam in the past. However, he stated that the decision to field candidates in select constituencies follows continuous engagement with local leaders who have shown interest in the party. He said that the move marks the beginning of a long-term political commitment in Assam, with the party aiming to gradually build its base in the state.
Assam, we have not expanded in the past. We felt that there were certain constituencies where we were in touch with some of the leaders for a long time and they had shown interest. And based on that, we took the decision to field a few candidates. Let us hope we don't look at political journey from just one election point of view. For us, it's a process, it's a commitment that we're making, and we are starting a commitment towards the state of Assam. We will continue to move forward, and we hope that we will open an election in Assam.
Chief Minister K. Sangma clarified that Agatha of the Meghalaya protection of in the pain lake. Reporters that the concerned leader had also not campaigned, but gap was included. He said that written election in India
just to share with you, she will not be campaigning as it is not some kind of team because she is party. I think did not reach them. Corrective measure communicated to election committee.
a large quantity of dodo, special cell with ANT personal part in the 2.45 kg of kg was seized. IMFL truck carrying an auto car transporting coal was detected at 3 cases. FIRs for people have been arrested, shared by Superintendent of Police Pankaj Kumar. With vehicles and local market, people are using. The curfew is currently from 8 p.m. That is slowly regaining its usual. YC and COMSO remarks against any religion. He spoke after appearing before with a part of his March 11. The FIR. He clarified immigration, not religion. Operated with the and left
the meeting that 2026 at particular free media and as per the FIR, the allegation is the statement that against religion and also people may disturb peace. It may lead to a situation where there will or to religion. Those are the allegations. Just groups before the IO and the IO. I don't know who spread it throughout of the statement that I made, because it
to collect LPG cylinders at multiple rumors involving the US, Israel and Iran. Baranwal said LPG supply has declined urban and 45 days. Authorities urged the public not to panic and
as per the instructions of the government of Meghalaya, Form 1 district, we took requirements that have been placed with of the current stock. Simultaneously, we have a list of all the commercial consumers. From what I have been given to understand, yes, there have been certain when the domestic, but a restriction that any urban consumer can only days of the previous simultaneously a rural after 40. We have directed that they must ensure that those, but apart from that, it should be strictly on a first come first service, so that there is no opportunity race and justice is done to everyone. Deprive cylinder.
Launched a campaign to in the area. Distribution drive. The organization Shillong is gradually losing its cultural significance due to the lack of space for indigenous. Through the campaign, he has demanded the construction of a Khandailat cultural center. Outlets and a heritage gallery. To support visually Thongni for physically challenged youths, beneficiaries Dibulas Jerwa and Silko Lingdo. The shop sells fruit items. It is located opposite the Nongstoin police station. A train on fisheries by with Enable India to support visually impaired individuals.
We don't kata thong bang kijat dalam bah kecing Arab jeng I tengila la dia kena kadukan tengah kerpat jeng kersan jeng kecing pigan ya along way tam ubo berdona te jam ka te nak te nak tengah kerpat ini pi pajba nong Shillong Meghalaya hi yarap lang ban penkiu ya kena ka dong barit makna lembah kecing yarap access hak education
hal yang kam ke jam livelihood but lang ban learn ni computer unu kila ban use ki but persang joki la si don ki problem ni wan ra ki solution so hang ne
Awareness program on March 5th meet through community social district officials, 244 students, 7 teachers. Officials highlighted the dangers of drug use, alcohol abuse and tobacco consumption. They also raised concern over rising HIV cases and the importance of support for patients. Experts urge youth to stay away from substance abuse and make informed life choices.
Deteksi untuk orang HIV positif no, pada orang ini di depan beli. On the orang ngambil mengatur cekcut, ngambil negara kita cekcut, ngambil senyap cipta no. Jadi yang bagi man Islam terlaki, ini terlaki untuk orang HIV orang tak punya immune system no, attack kepada CD4 cell, attack kepada immune system sedang ilmu terlaki. Mana sedang ilmu terlaki, bikisan sedang dari cipta sedang lagi terlaki ini dikatakan saya. Antara sedang diukur, sedang diusti, sedang dilihat jengkia, sedang diukur jengki, sedang diutrut, demi boy orang ini opportunistic infection, sedang diukur ini deh, sedang diukur, sedang dipenhir, ada pada stage orang ini boy macam AIDS, Kemudian dari itu sedang makin tipi pemain HIV positif dia yang ART kita boy macam AIDS stage, satu kemudian itu dah Pikam nak skor. Yang kan betul ni route of transmission tetap pika jadi yo pika lain cicit bila kata poster sistem kata betul UM kamu nak topi, okey kita haju sistem ni, lebih jadi sistem ni betul cisin berikat yang HIV MK di Dubai. Pada dan cek berapa ini kita boleh
Students use concerns over the union monitoring the issue of stopping illegal in that permission 11 the certify to monitor rock legend left the few massive act trans the track if you search at delivering wrinkles and iconic tower riffs to classic like graph and the defying life bands regional news. President an election office in Guwahati for the Dispur Assembly Pradyut Bordoloi and supporters from local petrol, diesel and electricity. Retail outlets the ministry denied any reports of creating panic. People have rumors authority is under control. Update the targets cover the 35 with the leadership on climate issues.
2030 से 2035 8 नए गोल्स हैं 8 इंटेंसिटी को 35 तक 1% रिडक्शन करना है बाय 2035 सभी गोल्स के लिए को 60% कर नॉन फॉसिल हो जाएगा.
Now moving NATO nation media posts. He claimed NATO countries have done absolutely does not need NATO's support amid the ongoing US his command men's football. The camp is being held with restricted media access to avoid distractions. Iran will play warm-up match in and was moved from Jordan to The minimum temperature was recorded at 18 degrees Celsius, 30 degrees Celsius. The minimum temperature was temperature 13 degrees Celsius and the maximum 67%. Before we end the news, the headlines once again. Minister Conrad Case unrest. NPP to contest Assam Assembly election. Sangma